People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again, people. Much love and appreciation as usual. So news coming out of Jamaica, people, where it's saying a JDF private among two men killed in St. Ann. Yes, you heard that correctly. A Jamaica Defence Force soldier is among two men that were killed in St. Ann. It goes on to say a soldier is among two men who were shot and killed last night in Spring Peace District, St. Ann. The police have identified the deceased as 25-year-old Jamaica Defence Force Private Leighton Sinclair and 38-year-old mechanic Devoy Webb, who are both from the community. Reports from the Ocherius police are that about 11:20 p.m. residents heard explosions and summoned the police. On their arrival, the police say both men were seen with gunshot wounds. They were pronounced dead at the hospital. The police say no motive has been established for the fatal attack. They say detectives are currently combing the scene for clues and more evidence, people. Yes, so you heard that correctly. It's not saying whether the Jamaica Defence Force soldier, if he was on duty or what he was, but looked like he wasn't carrying his weapon, or he did have his weapon on him for him get shot like that, because he didn't fire off any shot. So very, very sad news, very sad situation coming out of Jamaica, out of St. Ann. Once I get more information on this, people, I will give you guys an update. All right, bless up in yourself. Much love and appreciation from YaadAndAbroadTV, people. All right, love you, bless up.